Welcome to my presentation. This is Varnika from AML department. So now we are going to explain the experiment of implementation of hidden Markov model. In this video, I will explain the objectives and the program implementation and its execution and result and real world applications. So first, the objective of this experiment is to explain the implement of forward algorithm of hidden Markov model. We calculate the probability of a given sequence of observation and also predict most likely sequence of hidden states. A hidden Markov model is a statistical model where the system is assumed to be Markov process with hidden state. We cannot directly observe the states, but we can observe output influenced by those states. So here HMMs are very useful for pattern recognition. So in our program, we first define the transition matrix, emission matrix, and the initial probability. Then we define the observed sequence using the forward algorithm. We calculate the probability of an observed sequence. We also predict most likely the sequence of weather states based on computed probability. So we first initialize the alpha matrix, which will store the probability of each steps. The alpha matrix which will store the probability of each time steps. The first row is calculated using the initial probability and the emission matrix. Then for each time steps, we update the alpha matrix value based on the previous alpha values, transition probability and emission probability. Finally, we sum up of last row of alpha to get the probability of entire observed sequence. So now we can execute the program. We use the observed sequence 1 1 1 0 0 1. The output gives us the probability of the sequence under the real world applications. It also prints most likely sequence of weather states, either sunny or rainy, based on the alpha value. If the alpha value is 1, it seems to output as 1, and the rainy it seems to output as 0. So we can run the program. We get the output. The probability of observed sequence is 0.024 and most likely sequence of weather state is sunny, 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 rainy, rainy, sunny. It seems the alpha value is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Hidden Markov model are used in many real world applications. And in speech recognition, they predict the spoken words based on the sounds. And natural language processing, they are used for the task and parts of speech time. Thank you.